ko ngayon. Day off in a way because si Charlotte ay pupunta sa house ng kanyang lola. Ayan, ayan si Charlotte. So, we're having breakfast. Ayan, around 9:30, umaalis na kami. Breakfast for today is hot dog with egg and rice. Tapos kay Lotte is scrambled and toast. Di pa tapos yung makeup ko. Parang ang pale-pale ko tingnan. Hi, Papa. Good morning.
Good morning.
Lottie, say hi. Kaya kami sa labas ng car. May inaasikaso lang si Tom. After niyan, aalis na kami ni Charlotte. Usually, pinapalakad ko muna siya kasi nga 45 minutes yung drive namin papuntang town. You right?
Need your face.
You need my face. What do you mean not recognized? Here we go. Too much makeup maybe. Throw! Yay! Mag-best friend talaga to sila ay. Throw it! He's waiting. The other way around. Ano ba yan? Yay! Nagsip ako ng coffee, no feel ko matatain na ako ay. Farmer Tom! Okay yung makeup ko ay. Okay or baka ano, uneven. Di ko alam, bahala na siguro. Sige na, mag-drive na kami. Andiyan na si Charlotte, buckled up. I'm going to refill water, op shopping, and then Kmart. And then dollar store. That's it.
Sounds good.
Alright, mag-drive na ako guys. Babush. Ayan na. Ayan, so nag-drop ko na si Charlotte. Chika-chika muna kami ng kaonte. And then nagbigay din sila ng mga stuff. And then, ang napakaganda talaga ni Mama is, she always asks kung may kulang ba si Charlotte or may kailangan. And then, bibilhin niya yan while they're out and about. So, noon, automatic na diaper yung binibili ni Mama. May 4 or 5 boxes pa siya doon. Ganon karami palagi binibigay ni Mama. Feel like, as soon as matapos namin yung mga boxes na yun, mag-iibang size na si Charlotte. So, sabi ko sa kanya, wet wipes na lang muna, and mga powder, yung mga ibang stuff na need ko, yung bibilhin niya. Tapos, bibili din siya ng mga frozen berries. Kasi yun yung favorite talaga na snacks ni Charlotte. But, ang mahal nila pag fresh, and kahit frozen, and then, si Charlotte no, halos isang 1/2 cup yung mauubos niya every snack. So, talagang expensive siya for snacks. So, kakapark ko lang. Sa gilid nito is my op shop. So, yung op shop is yun yung ukay-ukay nila. And the reason palagi ako nag-stop dito, yung area ni Mama is maganda. So, usually, yung mga donation is maganda din yung quality, branded, ganun-ganun. Pero may pagkamahalan sila compared sa kung saan ako nag-op shop usually. So, tina-target ko lang yung mga talagang super worth it na mahal. Like coat, mga thermals, yung mga magagandang polo shirt para kay Tom, sapatos, but not like your top, like blouses and stuff or pants. Hindi ako nagbabay ng ganun. Unless maganda talaga. Looking for extra large, medium. This is nice, oh. $7. I think I'm gonna get that for Tom. This is cute. Cute. Like. Ito cute. The cherry. This is cute.
$5 change.
Thank you.
These in a bag for you.
Yes, please. Ayan. So, damage has been done. Andyan na siya sa bag. Ayan, makita ba? Hindi, ay bag ko yan. Nasa isang kamay ko. $15 for 2 coats. But, nakakuha ko ng mga gamit sa free rack sa labas, which is like 4 items. So, okay na okay yan. For $15. At tapos magagandang brand siya and very good quality. Then, may ukay-ukayan dun na ano ay $10 lang, and then punuin mo na yung basket. Ay, ganda. dalhin ko yung parents ko dun. Pag nakapunta na sila, nakabalik na sila. Yan. Pasok tayo, pasok! This is where I used to work. There's Alice and Alexa. I used to work with those two. Alice is looking at me like a weirdo. I'm looking for Sammy. I've got groceries for Sammy. Alexia is so serious. Look at her right now. I think she's pissed off. Oh, she can see me already. Kabalik ko lang. Na-sidetrack na naman ako. I went to my previous, tsaka old. Went to my previous workplace. So, nasa Kmart na ako. I just need to find toaster. Wala dito. Ito. Ito. Okay. 1 and 2 slice toaster. Oh, okay. Ooh. This one looks nice. What's the sides for? Oh, okay. Or this one. Ayoko nito ay. Magko-collect yan ng dust. Okay, I'll grab this. Alright guys, so andito na tayo sa sinasabi kong op shop. Ayan, pasok na tayo. Ayan, yan yung sabi niya. $10. Fill a bag. I usually start here. Look na kung bata agad sila. Mostly too big. Ang cute to 12 to 18 months. So, nakaata yung mga pangbata nila ay. Oh. Age to 12 to 18 months old. Oh, cute. So, ayan na guys. Time check. Oh my God. 1:17 na. Umalis ako ng bahay ng 9:30. Dinrop ko si Charlotte ng 10:30. Feel ko mga 11 o'clock ako umalis sa bahay ni Mama. And I've been out and about for 2 hours. But look at this. Look at this. This whole bag is $10. So 300 pesos po to lahat. And I reckon I have like at least 30 pieces of clothing here for me, Tom, and Charlotte. So, my goodness. Haul talaga to na haul. I'm gonna make a reel of the things I found and then a separate reel naman for how I'm gonna style them. I think I've done all my chores na. I think I'm gonna head home. Yeah, I've done everything. I think so. Uwi na tayo because I need to clean up. I need to clean the house kasi yung ate ko from Wellington will drive tonight with her entire family. May event sila sa Hastings tomorrow. So they'll stay with us for 2 nights. James. Doggy boy. What are you doing? Yan na yung kargador ko dahil. Oh goodness, here we go. We have entered a new era. The era of Charlotte. Yes. Yeah, it is. Come on. Tuck, tuck. I know, it's tuck, tuck. Thank you. Hi, Chia! Hi, Gia! Hi, Nati! Hi, bless you! Bless. Hi, everyone!
Lottie just arrived eh?
Ay, naigahobo, oh. Say hi, Gia. Hi! Nagtata Kuya Jax. Come on, Lottie, show your cousin. Kuya Jax, what's your favorite in school na? What's your favorite in school? Learning. What are you writing, Mon? Words. Kuya Jax, I have a present. Kuya Jax. Kay Kuya Atan, kay Kuan. Kuya Atan, kay
Oh my god, cute! What's this?
Patch.
Hey,
Imo na
wait.
siya i-iron niya kana sticker
And this
lang naka
one?
Gia. Kani mo iko na i-murag.
Pendant? Look how cute! Oh. During National Service Meeting. So kana karon gathering na sa tanang mga kuan na ay role. Oh, siya.
Oh, it's a new.
Yeah,
We've got ours if you want, but yeah.
Yan ako na-meet lately. I met someone. His name is Mark.
No,
Mark.
this Mark.
He's KPF and he wants to invite you and your friends or anyone here who
Uy,
wants
me
to,
and
for an hour. Yeah, any one of you here, 1 hour, and your friends.
Look at
just
Tom's
to know
face.
that it's like
He's like, I'm already the kids coordinator in the church.
no, you just have. Charlotte, come here, Charlotte. Hello, ako na isli.
Tom, don't make it hard. Uy, murag
You
ko
talk to
ang
Uncle.
mau.
What would you
What
like?
would you say? Go talk to Uncle. What do you want? Go.
Just tell me what you want. You don't even have to ask nicely. Just say what it is. Internet.
We'll take the voice note here. Play and dance. Hug. Wait, that's not for baby. Put it back. Good girl. Ano sabi? Ano yan? Naman?
Oh, you're wearing my gear
He likes that one because it's Hot Wheels. Not this one. Mukha mo na si Chips. Not this one. Oy, not this one.
She's asking if he eats the chips. I said he eats everything. Oh, nice cleaning, Lottie. Good cleaning.
She's practicing for the Dyson.
It's those times, Joy, that you sleep in the afternoon in the sala, in the Philippines.
Yes.
Just with the fan. Very,
No.
very,
No.
very sticky feeling.
It was hard too when my brother arrived and we only had one for each.
I much prefer strawberries. Strawberries. And the moral?
Moving out. So then, but when they moved over here, his sisters decided to stay because they were in uni and stuff.
Tata Lottie, tata. Tata papa. Tata.